I'm Timothy. I work out from P38 Fitness, which is located on Mulawa Mall, Kirabulindou Road. It has been revealing that I'm now more disciplined. I'm now more disciplined about my fitness. I'm accountable to my colleagues who I work out with. I've improved my overall fitness. I've generally improved my healthy habits, and it has been quite a journey where I've been able to experience new things and also change things to make my health better. I'm already seeing quite a number of results based on overall structure of my body, overall fitness, and being more accountable in the way I'm doing things in the gym and with my colleagues. And I think the trainers have also been very, very helpful, especially Maria and her colleague Kisha, who have introduced us to a number of techniques that have helped us improve on what to look out for in this fitness journey, and we hope to be able to learn more as we go on.